Hi, my name is Dr. Charles Livingston. Do you have these symptoms? Bloating, gas, abdominal pain, fatigue, constipation, and heartburn? New scientific discovery could help. Introducing Vive Biotics. Perfect Omega TG 1-month supply 60-day badge. Description: inhibits growth of bad bacteria asterisk. Helps repair intestinal damage caused by gluten asterisk. Aids the breakdown and removal of harmful toxins asterisk. Helps stop bloating, supports better digestion asterisk. Contains 15 extremely unique probiotic strains asterisk. Package: 0.5 ounce bottle, 30-day supply. Suggested use: for drops, 2 times per day before meals. Shelf life: 24 months. Availability: in stock, leaves warehouse within 48 hours. While 1 bottle may relieve your symptoms, I highly recommend you take at the minimum the 3-bottle option since it typically takes this long for your gut to rebuild. You'll be pleasantly surprised by how good you feel. Our probiotics come in liquid form for longer shelf life, up to 24 months, and helps up to 95% of the good bacteria survive the journey to your gut. You can buy this wonderful relief product from the link in the description below this video.